The overall goal of these experiments is to convert chemical energy from unique effector-driven oxidation-reduction reactions into a practical source for safely and controllably generating the well-known disinfectant chlorine dioxide without the use of electricity, equipment, or acids for a variety of cross-cutting military applications. This is achieved by adding a novel chemical effector to the chlorite-sulfite redox reaction at certain sub-stoichiometric ratios to generate chlorine dioxide. The Portable Chemical Sterilizer, a modern field autoclave, was invented by embellishing a rigid plastic suitcase with valves, an inlet valve connected to a circulating tube, a reactor vessel, and scrubbers to remove chemicals and protect users and the environment. By modifying the stoichiometric ratios of the reagents, a unique two-step mixing process called kinetics control was developed to produce aqueous chlorine dioxide inside a collapsible spray bottle called D-FENS. A new mixed chemical technology called D-FEND ALL, based on an alternative chemical system without the use of acids or an effector, rapidly and controllably generates dilute solutions of chlorine dioxide with one-step mixing for even broader, all-purpose applications. Validation studies demonstrated that the PCS sterilizes bacterial spores and inactivates pathogens on fresh produce. Spraying and wiping with D-FENS inactivates pathogens on porous or hard surfaces, and D-FEND ALL decontaminates bacterial spores inoculated on textiles.
We've done a lot of interest in reaction chemistry for the production of chlorine.